Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing the long-awaited husband does my voiceover. We're just going to be doing a really simple, easy, minimal makeup look today. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below. And without further ado, let's just jump on into the video, guys.
Hey guys, this is Bronson. First you grab this Nivea men's product thingy because you use men's stuff, apparently. And you sniff it and it smells so good. And then you grab this shiny metallic looking thing and you just put just a little teardrop on your fingertip there. And you blink a bunch of times. And you just massage that into your face. You grind that right under your eyeballs and the tip of your nose. Then you grab this NARS, I think that's what it was, it's brown stuff. And you make sure to put it on the back of your hand because that makes sense. And then you grab the big brush. You put a bunch of stuff on the back of your hand for almost no reason because you use just a little dot. And you just rub it into your face. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. Rub, rub, rub. And you got to make sure to get that all up all over you. Peace out, apparently. You gotta do the cross eyes look. That's always attractive. And then you gotta make yourself look like you're a hunting party. You're going hunting right now. That's what's happening. Like you're a football lineman, just putting them lines into your eyeballs. And make sure to just put that only under your eyeball, nowhere else. Oh, never mind. You gotta put some stripes on your nose. Cause you want to make your enemies fear you. That's the goal of this. And you got to wipe your forehead, right? Wipe all that sweat off. And make sure to only put 7 dots on your forehead. And look, there I am. There I am. And you got to take that little sea creature and you got to just throw that on your face. All the stuff you just got done putting on your face, you got to take off of your face. And then you got to take the glow bottle. And you waste most of it by just throwing that into the air and only use some of it. And you got to put that all over your face. Make sure you get everywhere. And then you take this powdery stuff, and you want to get as much on the carpet as possible that you're sitting on. And just throw that everywhere. Just throw it everywhere. It doesn't even matter. And then you get the last 1% that's left on the brush on your face, and you just swirl that around your eyeballs. Jamming them right into your eye socket, pretending like nothing's existing. Just swirl, 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 swirl. And don't worry, just dump it on the ground. Pretend it's free. And then you got to brush your shoulders off. And then you grab this paint palette full of all these colors. And you take a different big brush, I think. I think that's a different one. And then you got to stretch your face out as much as possible. Getting right in the crease of the eye. Stretch the face, stretch the face. Get some in the hair, that's okay. That's fine. The hair needs a little color too. Then you gotta get a different brush, because you gotta have 5,000 brushes to do something. And then you, oh yeah, get it all up in your hair. That's what's up. You're doing a good job when you know you hit the brush against your hair. That's how you know you're doing a good job. And once again, you gotta stretch the face, stretch the face. Making almost like a beard type situation. And you gotta take this angled brush that almost looks like a chisel. And then making yourself almost look like a deer, trim the sides of your noses all the way up to your eyebrows. And you have to keep it even, so if you do it to one side of the face, you gotta do it to the other. So deer it up. Sometimes going back 2, 3, 7 times, it's necessary. You really want to make sure the tip of the nose gets hit. Brush it out, brush it out. Now you got to point at your eyebrows. And they're done. That's all you do. You just point at them and they're done. You gotta use the one that you've used the most of, because the rest don't matter. And put that on the soft part of your eyeball. Eyelid. My bad. And you gotta take this other one that I haven't used as much of, but looks exactly as the same as the previous color, because there's a difference. Smush it around, smush it around. Try to get some in your eyeball too. It might make you see more beautiful things in this world. I'm not sure if she switched colors. It looks the same to me. I'm not sure. I think she's just going over back with the same color, but I could be wrong. You just got to keep on going. Keep on trucking. And then you got to take a brush that looks almost the same as the one you had before, and you hit a different color. So you're really going to use this palette a lot in this one. And just grind away your eyelid. Grind, grind, grind. Grind, grind, grind. Keep on grinding. And whatever you do to one side of your face, you have to do the other. So grind away at the other eye. Like I said, you got to get some in your eyeball and on your eyelashes as well. Eyelashes need color too. And then you're using a third brush all over your eyeball. Could have been the fourth one. I haven't been keeping track. And just blend it out. Feather it, feather it, feather it. Feather it. And then we're doing a sixth color. And mixing that stuff up. Let's do 8 shades on one eyelid. That's okay. And just grind it away. You want to make sure you can feel a little bit of pain in your eyeball when you're doing that. Going at it again with another. Let's go. Feather it, feather it. Feather it. Keep at it. Keep it going. Yeah, looking on fleeking. And whatever you do to one eye, you have to do the other. Keep that looking symmetrical. One eye will always turn out better than the other, depending on what handed you are, though. Something to keep in mind. I'm just kidding. I don't really know. You just gotta feather it out. Make sure it all fades into... Oh, going in again. Let's go. Only you gotta do the under eye part. And do the other under eye part. Finishing it all off. Oh, not finishing it off. Just kidding. You want to make sure to make the most ridiculous looking faces so that even you know how ridiculous what you are doing is. Then you go right under the eyebrow to finish it out. Right under the eyebrow. Taste the air. That one gets a lot of use. You gotta take the biggest brush you got and just throw that stuff everywhere. You gotta make your face shine. You gotta make the cheekbones pop. You gotta make the nose pop. And then you get this little crimper thingy. And you gotta rip your eyelashes out. Because who needs eyelashes? Not gonna lie, that looks painful, but let's just move on from this. And you're gonna take this, a little eyelash blackener. And you gotta brush that all up in there. Okay, your eyelashes looking nice and dark. And you gotta look like you just seen a ghost, or you're pretending to be a ghost, one of the two. And make sure to try not to stab your eyeball. Children, do not try this at home. Then you got to point out what you ran out of, so you have to use something else. And you gotta shine it up. Want to make your face look chrome. Hit that real shiny. You got to do the chin. The chinny chin chin. You got to make it Rudolph. Got to make your nose shine. Shine it up. And then you got to do your upper lip. And then you got to buff it out. And then you spray this mostly all over everywhere, making sure not to get hardly any of it on your face. Just spray it everywhere. Make the whole room smell like that. Fan it out, fan it out. Then you gotta take the shiny tube and do your eyebrows. And brow it out. Make sure you don't have too many runaways. Can't let them be free. Gotta stay in their lines. Then you gotta take this little pencil crayon type situation we got going on here and run it right around the lip. Right around the lip. Get that, just dig it into your skin so the first 8 layers of skin are just covered and saturated in that stuff. Just cut your lip off. Then you gotta grab this little doohickey. That's the lippy stickies. And that is it. That's how you do that look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe at the bottom. And yeah, this was, hope you guys enjoyed it.